And this is a bit of a unstable bridge. And I filmed a motorbike going over the other one yesterday. Yeah, it's a bit of a tricky bridge to go over. It's a fun bridge to go over. And it takes us into the Mercado on the Rio Cuale.
Wow, a little bit. Julio.
And there's the other pedestrian bridge over here that takes you out. So Julio takes us on a tour into the Mercado. In the this is the Rio Cuale Mercado, where there's lots of vendors here, and it has a trail that goes all the way from the Malecon all the way up to the Rio Cuale trail. And the shops behind me keeps going and going and going. And lots of vendors here, and they sit here all day waiting for people to come. And right now tourism's down about 50% probably because of the little bit of staged burning vehicles there a week ago. So a lot of people have canceled, unfortunately. So I want everyone to know that it's safe here in Puerto Vallarta. Come on down. That was just a one-day staged event. Not a single person was harmed. And Puerto Vallarta is back to normal. So come on back to Puerto Vallarta, everybody. Hey. Welcome to Puerto Vallarta. Muchas bonita city.